The Camper's Code has 9 rules that are really easy to follow. When all campers follow them, these good things happen. Camping continues to be enjoyable for all. Nature remains pristine and beautiful. People camping in the same area become friends. Animals stay wild and free. So what are the rules of the Camper's Code? 1. Respect wildlife. Getting close to and feeding wildlife is detrimental to animals, their survival, and possibly to you. Wildlife is called wildlife because they are supposed to be wild. 2. Plan ahead and be prepared. Safety first even if you're car camping or going somewhere very accessible. Stay safe by adhering to the 3 T's. Trip plan, train, take the essentials. 3. Take only photos. If it's not yours, don't take it. Please leave natural and cultural objects undisturbed. If you see it in nature and you just love it so much, then take a photo and leave it in nature. 4. Control your pets. Pets are lovable. They can also negatively impact trails, aggravate park visitors, contaminate natural resources, and impact wildlife. 5. Respect others. Some people go camping for peace and quiet. Respect your camping neighbors by keeping noise levels low and adhering to posted quiet hours. 6. Practice fire safety. Prevent human-caused wildfires by practicing these 3 simple campfire safety rules. Respect fire bans. Never leave a fire unattended and put fires out completely. 7. Store food safely. Food and scented items can attract wild animals. Attracting wild animals can lead to personal injury and wildlife being killed. Store all food in a wildlife-proof container or in a hard-sided vehicle. 8. Respect staff and signs. Staff and signs are here to help. Adhere to their guidance and everyone can stay safe. And finally, 9. Don't litter. Littering is not cool nor acceptable under any circumstances. Put all garbage in marked garbage, waste bins. If there are no bins, be kind and pack it out.